Okay, so Jones Beach, we're going to look at Jones Beach today. Again, not that busy. By the West India, I mean, there's not a whole lot of people here, man. Testing out my new camera. My new phone. Samsung A26. There's a very nice sea breeze here, but yeah, it's rather empty. Again, I mean, I just don't understand it. Now we're in the heart of the summer, and a heat wave is bearing down on us. It's still not that busy. Everybody's at Long Beach. I'll show you, tomorrow night we'll be at Long Beach, and I'll show you how much busier it is. I think Jones Beach is starting to suffer. There's that hazy sun. Got some hooded gulls here. Here's what I think the issue is with Jones Beach. It's becoming more of a beach that people from Freeport go to. And so, well, you know the way it works here on Long Island, I don't have to say it. But if a certain demographic isn't here, it's going to get neglected. That's what's going on. People don't want to come. Because people want to be where the preppies are. Now it's the summer. Look, it's still empty. I know one of my viewers commented, go by the main mall. All right, I'll show you the main mall. Probably a little busier there. Damn, look at that hazy sunshine. That's from wildfire smoke. Nobody's talking about it. It's mostly at the upper levels. It's not at the surface, but smoke from western wildfires. Yeah, I mean, this is just, I mean, considering we're in the middle of a heat wave, you'd think it would be packed here. I mean, granted, it's the evening, but if you're at Long Beach, the place is packed compared to this. Take a look at these waves, man. Got some pretty big waves here. Why is the water so rough? I'm noticing this more and more at the beach. Well, I don't know. It's got a pretty good southerly coming in. There you go. What else is coming up? It's pretty rough today. Look at that sun. It's so dim. Yeah, this is definitely from the wildfire smoke. Yeah, not too many people. There's some people, but not too many. But what I do like about it here is that it's wide open, so definitely get better sky views than Long Beach. You're just not going to have the same kind of social scene. If you come in here for life, especially in the evening, you're not going to get it. It's only wildlife you're going to get here. So, it's okay, I guess, for tonight. Just look at that sun. Man. The smoke is back. Ah, these are yucca plants with flowers. They've got a lot of them here. This one here. pretty. Looks like the leftover anvil of a thunderstorm there. The sun is really yellow. We got a few more people over here. A few more. It's not as crowded as Long Beach would be. Miniature golf's over there. Actually, there's a lot of people over there in the volleyball area. So, yeah, they're getting ready. I'm sure it will be packed here on the 4th on the weekend. That's when it's going to be packed. The 3rd and the 4th, especially for the fireworks and the air show. Yeah. Look at that. That's something. We got a few more people over here, but by no means is it busy. There's some people, but this is the miniature golf course. Not many people playing. I never played here when I was younger. Oh, I found the crowd. Yeah, they like to do dancing in this area, like country dancing. I forgot what they call it. Well, now we're in the busy area. Look at that sun. It's just, man, that is a yellow sun. Yes, where it's busy. Yeah, I guess the Central Mall area. But Long Beach is like the whole boardwalk. I like both places. Yeah. I kind of prefer Long Beach a little bit because I can stay there later. Here I have to be on the bus at 8:45. Otherwise, that's the latest I can go back. Long Beach I can stay as late as I want. I have to train. So, yeah, nice breeze. That's for sure. And this is the Boardwalk Cafe. This used to be a Boardwalk restaurant that actually was very nice. Just the way it used to be. It used to have Muzak in there. It's Black FM on Muzak. Back in the day, that's what played everywhere. I've spoken about that before. So, now they're playing something else. It's not FM1. 72.3. Oh, it's actually going down again. 72.1. Now, look at the alleys like in the upper 80s right now. Unfortunately, this whole adventure park thing has closed for the season. It's not going to reopen this year, unfortunately. Wow, look at that sun. Wow, that is red. All right, we're going to go to a spot, head over there, look at the sunset a little bit. Yeah, this is nice. It's a wild play area here. It's really nice. So we're going to walk back a different way. And there are a few things along the way that are, of course, very important that I want to show you. Well, you knew what I had to show you, right? There are a few pitch pines they planted over here. There's one. Some of these didn't make it, but another one over there. Yep. Had to show you that. Had to show you. There's the sun again. It really looks yellow. I was trying to get to the spot to get a picture, but now there's a cloud going behind it, so we may not get that nice sunset in the parking lot. I still got to go to that spot, so unfortunately, so yeah, there's a little cloud in the way there. So it looks like a little baby cumulonimbus there. Yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem with getting sunsets. Too bad it would be beautiful sunset if it wasn't that stupid cloud there. Still in the parking lot. I can't get to that spot before. I should have gotten there earlier. It's a missed opportunity there. Well, we got lucky. There it is. There's the sun going down. Look at that. Pardon the loud vehicle. These loud vehicles, like the motorcycles and stuff, they are not allowed to be so loud. They really should get fined for that. But anyway, look at that. That's beautiful. I'm listening to music anyway, so I can hear it through my headphones. I got to get some more pictures, so there you go. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. I think there's a parking lot we can actually go to get through there. So I don't know why they put these cones in this field. You know, there's wildlife that go here. I don't know why they put these stupid cones here, but whatever. That's New York for you. All right. I'm going to see if we can get one more view of the sunset from this parking lot over here. I mean, eventually when the sunset's a little later, we can watch it by the docks, but problem is the bus comes in 20 minutes and I don't want to miss it. That's why I like Long Beach. I can go there later and, you know. Never enough time. There is, I never have enough time for anything. So, anything you know about. Oh, another freaking motorcycle again. Can't stand those motorcycles. It's so obnoxious. So loud, you know. Ridiculous. Oh, I see a bunny out there. There you go. The sun is pretty much set now. So, I don't know how well the zoom is on this camera. There you go. It's pretty much down. What a sunset, though, huh? That smoke definitely made for some interesting sunsets. Well, it's time to head back. I see they've already got all this set up already. So they're going to have screenings for the show, obviously. Why is that? Okay. So if you know, you got to go through a screening because we live in New York there, so prohibited items. So yeah, they're getting everything ready, but it's really nice here. I'm glad we got to look at that sunset. I'm very happy that we got a chance to look at that because I saw it was going to go behind the cloud. It was going to be blocked, but luckily we got to see the sunset. And next time when I have time, we'll watch it by the bayside. You know, a few weeks, the sunset times get later, and we're able. Right now, sunset's just too late. It wouldn't give me enough time to get over to the bus. Yeah, there were actually a lot of people in that parking lot over there, so I think there's a concert tonight. And I didn't have time to show you because I was racing to look at that sunset. More yucca plants again. A lot of them. More security checkpoints. Welcome to the police state. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of... I think it's kind of ridiculous, really. But when you're in New Jersey, you want to see a fireworks show, you don't have to go through this. It's okay to have homeless people roaming around, but if you want to watch a fireworks show at the beach, you got to go through a search. Homeland Security. Homeland Security. I don't want to go through any bag searches, so I'm not going to be here right for that. You know, I just have so many memories here as a kid. It was busier at night. I mean, it's empty now. I mean, granted, it's a little busy in the central. This area used to be busy because instead of this fancy Gatsby restaurant, there used to be an ice cream parlor there. I'll show you what it looks like. It says closed for private event, but we will show you what it looks like. I loved this ice cream parlor. They had such great ice cream. Now you can't get ice cream over here. And down here there used to be concessions. I don't know if they have concessions anymore over here. Let's see. They have a beach shop. I can't go in here. Yeah, you do have a concession thing, but it doesn't look like it's open. Yeah, it's closed. Another thing that's annoying here, they got these helicopters that go back and forth along the beach. Shark patrol. I think it's absolutely ridiculous waste of money. And it's annoying. I don't want to hear the noise of the helicopters. You know, you come to the beach, you don't want to hear this stuff. You know? So this is what the ice cream parlor used to be. And if we were in the 1990s, if it was 1992 or 93 or maybe 94 or even 1988, there would be loads of people here. And there would be, this ice cream parlor would be packed because that's what used to be here, was an ice cream parlor. So I'll just show you. Now, nothing. Do get a nice view from the top. This is the West Bathhouse. You get the view from the top. That's nice. This used to be an ice cream parlor right here. The lights are all off. Said it's a fancy restaurant now, which isn't even open. But this used to be an ice cream parlor. They used to have music blasting in the FM1. You know, hearing all those 90s songs. I remember hearing they also played, FM1 played oldies too, like You Don't Have to Be a Star by Marilyn McCoo. Heard that here as well, but those fun days, they're gone. Now, there's nobody here. There's no ice cream, there's no people, and there's no music. And it kind of sucks. That's why people want to go to Long Beach, because there's just more there. You know, I mean, who wants a fancy restaurant at the beach? Nobody. You know, it's not even open. So, there you go. Jones Beach. I'll be here at the beaches a lot, but I think tomorrow and possibly Friday we're going to be at Long Beach instead, because I can stay there longer. It's a lot more happening. The main thing is I can stay there longer. So, anyway, I think that's it. Again, if you want to come here on the 4th, be prepared to lose your privacy. I don't want to submit to bag searches, all right? I don't want my bag searched. I value my privacy, all right? I don't want other people looking at what I carry, all right? It's none of their damn business. So, anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.